sense. When you walk in, turn on the light, you walk into like the whole living space in the kitchen. This is the first two doors. This has the broiler room. I'll get to know it at some point. Then the next door is the pantry. I wish I could do something with the doors. I don't know if I can put, it's too plain for me. Pantry, they're gonna fix that electric thing though, so please ignore. Are there lights in here? Oh, there are no lights. I'll figure something out. So that's that. So like I said, you're gonna walk into the kitchen. There's this unnecessary green pillar here. It's cute or whatever. The fridge, you know what a fridge looks like. The cabinets are self-closing. That's the only thing I like about it. Anyways, look at this malfunction here. This is the only drawer I can use for my spoons and knives and stuff. What is that? What? But they messed it up, so I have to deal with it. My sister said to open the oven, and that's how I access it. It's just a little bit annoying. Just want to open a cabinet without doing too much work. Wait, is this extra space? Oh, there's extra space up here too. Look at that. Too much. All right, and then we have an electric stove. I like a gas stove. Girl, I'm a gas stove girly, but we'll deal with that. We'll figure it out. And then this is the dishwasher. Cute. Then the sink, just a tiny area. Oh, I didn't know that did that. You like a faucet like that. You know, you can pull and stuff. Okay, this show the ceiling, give the ceiling some credit here. I love the ceiling. I think that's one thing that caught me here. High, what do they call it? High.
Lofted.
Lofted ceiling. I like that. I don't know, I hope you can hear me better. Anyways, we talked about the ceiling. This unit has like, they don't have central heating or central air conditioning. I think it's one made for the unit, like the whole apartment. So this is how our AC and heat is gonna come through that fixture. Why are you not showing the picture? It's gonna come through that fixture. So this is the living area. You're gonna walk with me. Stay right here. This is the laundry. There's a little space here, so we can work with that and put stuff in there. And this door closes. Then we go to the bedroom. Bedroom is quite a good amount of space. Nothing fancy, still hard, you know, rise, whatever, ceiling. And this is a closet space. It's a little bit small, but I've dealt with smaller, so I don't have that much clothes. So this will be fine. Alright, and then we go to the bathroom, my favorite. Okay, the bathroom. The fan still did not go on, so I don't know when it works. Anyways, simple bathroom, but at the same time, it's large, which I love. More space to maneuver. I like this. This is the theme of this bathroom for me. I like how they have the mirror in here. My other apartment did not have the mirror. So sometimes I'll have this open doing stuff and I still have to come here. So this is nice. You can open it, do your skincare and put it back. Toilet is the basic toilet. I don't know. I guess the one that's have paper towels in here. That's nice. And they still have toilet. Is it toilet roll? Yeah, you can also put that in there. And the bathroom itself is tile. I like that a lot about it. It's a tub, but we'll deal. It's okay. You can have both. You can have everything. That's nice. And then the flooring just brings everything together. My sister was saying we should go with the black vibe in here, so I guess we'll do that. Because the beginning is also like black tiles anyway, so I think to match well. Yeah, overall, we like it. You know that. It's okay. And it's very quiet outside. My view is not the best, but by the time the apartment I really wanted, someone took it, so I couldn't get the view I wanted. This was the second option. I just went with it. As long as I had natural lighting, I was fine, which it does. So, yeah. Thank you. I close to me. We're gonna live here for a year, so I'm excited. Otherwise, take care. See you in my next one. I'm so excited. Bye. Camera person. No, wait, featuring camera person. Oh, my arm hurts.